Along for a little bassing and a little bit of tuning in the Chrysler out here today. Saturday, you know, hanging out with your buddies on YouTube. You guys. Not structured car audio content, but you know, just having fun, right?
Computational anomalies detected. Data has been corrupted. Operational override commencing. Data corruption. Data corruption. Override commencing. Anomalies detected. Override commencing. Anomalies detected. Data corruption. Data corruption. Override commencing. Error in the system. Override commencing. Error in the system. Activated.
Oh yeah. Of course, this is all hardcore bass music for demos and stuff. This is all demo tracks. But I mix everything pretty hi-fi, so we still get good quality out of it.
Wavemaker engaged. Waves are engaged. Waves are engaged.
Normally I'm out here listening to yacht rock and stuff, but I can't play any of that stuff because of copyrights. I like that tune pretty good. I like having mids and highs in the doors to widen the sound field. It makes the whole sound field feel wider. But I also like having a little presence up in the window to pull your soundstage up just a little and kind of make the band sound like it's out in front of you. It's a complicated trade-off. And in case you guys hadn't realized, of course, we do have rear speakers in here. And in this mix, they're quite prevalent. But the dash speakers pull your image back to the front, so you're not wanting to drift back to the back and focus on the rears. They're just basically giving you a little bit of a rear fill. So it works out pretty good. And you guys should be getting some three-dimensional effect up there where you are. Anyway, messing around with tuning, guys. That's all we're doing today. Have a good one.